Hey y'all, so hi. Today I'm gonna be working on this piece. It's a small piece. It's for an auction that I'm gonna be doing at participating in the Von Gala this year, the show that I was telling you guys about in the last video. That's here in Miami. Should be really fun. You should definitely come by. I'm gonna be working on that today. I'm also going to a Heat game later, so maybe I'll show you guys some snippets of that. It'll be my second time ever I go to a basketball game. I used to play basketball. Like, I love basketball so much. I used to be the captain and in my senior year, and yeah, I'm pretty good, I'm gonna lie. Nah, I mean, yeah, I got better like offensively growing up, like after high school, and in high school I was more like defensive player. Yeah, that shyness like got away a little bit, and then I became more good. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing yet, but it will definitely be kind of my style. Gonna be kind of more, we'll see what happens. I'll show you guys the sketch later. And yes, what else? I think that's it. Just updates. Gonna be working on whatever I need to get done. The next, week, I'm gonna be at my grandma's, but I brought a maleta full of stuff, of art supplies and all that stuff. So I'm gonna be working on whatever I can, like the roller skates, jewelry, whatever, clay and stuff like that I'm gonna be selling in the Von Gala also. So yes, thank you for being here on this journey. Thank you so much. And yes. Hey guys, so my bad, I have not been doing well in documenting stuff, but this is what I've been working on for the auction for the Von Gala coming up in about 2 weeks. I've been doing some jewelry also to sell there, and yeah, this is the auction piece that I'm going to be giving. I still gotta finish up some flowers down there, but this is kind of how it's gonna look. Note to self though, don't ever put acrylic over watercolor. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. I used this, and then I used that for like the dress. As you can see, the texture is smoother, but then here I used acrylic and it's like different. I don't know, it's kind of bothering me, but it's okay because this is like matte and that's shiny. The acrylic is shiny and the watercolor is matte, which I like, I like kind of the matte better, but yeah, I like it though. I'm gonna I think I'm gonna glue two of them together just so it could be I think I'm gonna glue two of them together just so it could be like a thicker piece. And I'm debating on whether I should put the shirt as I might put like tela on the shirt. We'll see. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And then I'm also gonna be working the skates a little bit today. And yes, we'll see about more jewelry later. And yeah.